Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a historical building. You should say, which is the building, how you know about the building, have you ever been to that building, why you think it is important.
One historical building that comes to mind is the Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India. I know about this building through various sources including history books, documentaries, and online research. I have not personally been to the Taj Mahal, but I hope to visit it one day. The Taj Mahal was built in the 17th century by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a tomb for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It took over 20 years to build and is considered a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. The building is made of white marble and precious stones. The building is surrounded by beautiful gardens and reflective pools which add to its grandeur. The Taj Mahal is important for several reasons. Firstly, it is an architectural marvel and is considered one of the finest examples of Mughal architecture in the world. Secondly, it is a symbol of love and devotion, as it was built by Shah Jahan as a tribute to his beloved wife. Lastly, the Taj Mahal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors from around the world each year, making it an important part of India's tourism industry. In conclusion, the Taj Mahal is a magnificent historical building that is rich in both architectural and cultural significance. Its stunning beauty and rich history make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in architecture, history, or culture. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.